Yorùbá pronouns. Ọ̀rọ̀ arọ́pò orúkọ. Pronouns are called ọ̀rọ̀ arọ́pò orúkọ in Yorùbá. Singular pronouns in subject position. Mo, I, èmi, am. Òun, he, she, or it. Ìwọ, you. O, you. Ó, he, she, or it. Take note of the tone. O, you. O, he, she, or it. Singular pronouns in object position. Singular pronouns in object position. Me, me. Him, her, or it. Òun, him, or her. Or, you. Me, me. Him, her, or it. Òun, him, or her. Or, you. Pronouns formed from verbs. Pronouns formed from verbs. I, rí, that means see it. Rí, see it. A, rà, buy it. Ọ, for, wash it. U, jù, throw it. Rí, see it. This is the pronoun. Rà, buy it. For, wash it. Jù, throw it. Now let's look at plural pronouns in subject position. A, we. Àwa, we. Àwọn, they. Wọ́n, they. Ẹ̀yin, you. Ẹ, you. Plural pronouns in object position. Wa, us. Wọ́n, them. Yín, you. Wa, us. Wọ́n, them. Yín, you. Kindly note that subject is called Olúwa in Yorùbá. While object is called Abo in Yorùbá. In the next videos, I'll be giving you examples of sentences where we can find the pronouns. So you would be familiar with how you can use the Yoruba pronouns with verbs to construct sentences.